This is Frisco Live 415.
Feeding a 586 on a 518 hit and run at 5th and Stevenson. This is probably one and the same.
Unit 2 MS on the same emergency. On analysis information regarding a 519 hit and run from 5th and Market under tag 62390. Suspect vehicle hit a motorcycle and sled. Left the license plate behind. Plate 8 William Edward Frank 289 to Silver Subaru, last seen on 5th towards Betty. Region 15 David, requesting if there's any unit available to respond with flares, 5th and Market for the 519. Again, it's 3 male subjects walking around completely nude between 17th and 18th.
Going on, pay attention.
That driver of that blue vehicle, he's walking up this. He's a valet at the Axiom Hotel.
Oh,
right here. He's walking up. He's messed up.
We complained on him earlier.
I'm sorry.
He crashed already.
He was the hit and run crash.
Yes.
No way. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We had to bring our car for an hour already.
Oh my, he's fucked up. He's fucked up. He's on something.
There. He crashed that car. The Honda that's on the curb.
By the light.
Crashed that car.
He crashed that car.
Information on 916, possible hit and run, Allison Mason.
Bad day.
oh, bad day.
Oh, you don't even know.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even know.
Was it your bad day?
No.
Oh, okay.
Austin, he's your hit and run suspect. Did you know that?
Am I, what?
Yeah. He's your hit and run suspect. The car, go to the car's right up there, at the end of this block right here. Guaranteed.
Why didn't you tell me that before?
Well, no, I was going to, and I don't want to interrupt you when you were walking with him. I went back to tell you that. But guaranteed, he's your hit and run suspect. And the car without the front bumper is right at the end of this corner right here. Thank you.
Region 15 David, advising they have one in top 50 back in for the 519 hit and run.